Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Nikon wide-angle zoom lenses that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the Altura Photo 52mm 0.43 times Professional HD wide-angle lens. This versatile attachment lens is perfect for anyone on a tight budget looking to expand their field of view for wide-angle photography. One standout feature is its detachable macro portion, which allows for high-resolution close-ups of small objects, a great addition for photographers who love capturing intricate details. In terms of design, the lens has a compact and lightweight build, making it easy to carry around for outdoor shoots. It easily screws on to the front of any compatible 52mm lens, which is highlighted as a key convenience factor. However, it's important to note that it's an attachment lens, not a standalone zoom lens, so the quality depends heavily on your base lens. Performance-wise, the Altura Photo lens is best suited for casual photographers or hobbyists who want affordable wide-angle and macro capabilities. While it doesn't offer the advanced optics or image stabilization of higher-end lenses, it does deliver solid results for its price. The key downside is that it's not ideal for professionals or those expecting razor-sharp image quality. Overall, this lens is a great entry point for beginners exploring wide-angle photography. At number 4, we have the Tektra 52mm 0.43 times Professional HD wide-angle lens. This lens attachment is similar to the Altura Photo lens, but includes subtle differences that may appeal to certain users. Just like its competitor, it features a detachable macro portion for capturing detailed close-ups, and it's compatible with 52mm lens threads. The compatibility list is extensive, covering popular Nikon DSLR models such as the D3300 and D7100, as well as select Canon lenses. The design is functional, featuring a simple screw-on mechanism that makes it easy to install and remove. Its lightweight build makes it portable, but it lacks the premium feel of higher-end lenses. In terms of performance, the Tektra lens delivers decent wide-angle shots and macro images for its price. However, much like the Altura Photo lens, it relies heavily on the quality of your base lens, which can limit its versatility for professional use. The main advantage of the Tektra lens is its affordability and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners or casual shooters. However, the absence of advanced optical elements or features like image stabilization means it's not suitable for demanding environments or professional-grade photography. If you're just getting started with wide-angle photography and have a compatible 52mm lens, this is a solid budget-friendly choice. Taking the number 3 spot is the Nikon NIKKORZ 14-24mm f2.8s, a professional-grade wide-angle zoom lens designed specifically for Nikon Z-series mirrorless cameras. With its ultra-wide 14-24mm focal length and constant f2.8 aperture, this lens is a powerhouse for shooting landscapes, architecture, and even astrophotography. The optics are outstanding, delivering sharpness and resolution across the entire frame, even in challenging lighting conditions. The build quality is robust and weatherproof, making it an excellent choice for outdoor photographers who need reliability in different environments. It's compact for a lens of this caliber, and its design includes advanced coatings to reduce flare and ghosting. The lens also boasts a smooth zoom and focus mechanism, adding to the overall premium experience. Performance-wise, the 14-24mm f2.8s is hard to beat in its category. The wide aperture allows for exceptional low-light performance and depth control, while the optical zoom provides flexibility across its range. However, all this comes at a high price point, making it less accessible for hobbyists or those on a budget. If you're a professional photographer looking for a top-tier wide-angle zoom lens, this is a strong contender. Coming in at number 2 is the Nikon NIKORZ 14-30mm f4s lens, another excellent option for Nikon Z-series mirrorless cameras. This lens offers a slightly longer zoom range compared to the 14 to 24 millimeter, while maintaining a constant f4 aperture. It's ideal for photographers who want a versatile wide-angle lens for travel, landscapes, and video work. The retractable design is a standout feature, collapsing the lens to a mere 3.5 inches for easy packing and portability. The build quality is solid, featuring Nikon's advanced coatings to minimize flare and ghosting, and a stepping motor, STM, for smooth and silent autofocusing. This makes it a great choice for video creators who need quiet operation. While it doesn't have the ultra-wide aperture of the 14 to 24 mm f2.8, it compensates with its compact size and lighter weight, making it more travel-friendly. In terms of performance, the 14 to 30 mm f4S delivers excellent image quality with sharp details and vibrant colors. It's less suited for low-light scenarios due to the narrower aperture, but it's still a fantastic option for those who prioritize portability and versatility. If you're looking for a high-quality, wide-angle zoom lens for everyday use, this is a great pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.